Imagine you had a digital assistant that didn't just answer your questions but actually understood your goal, made a plan, used tools, checked results, and kept working until the task was done. Not just write me an email, but find leads, research them, write the email, schedule follow-ups, update my CRM, and tell me who replied. That is the basic idea behind AI agents. And in the next few minutes, we will explain what AI agents are in simple language, how they are different from ChatGPT, where they are already being used, and how beginners can start using them without getting lost in technical jargon. Welcome back to the official AI Hustle Club, where we make AI simple, practical, and useful for everyday people. Let's get started. Let's start with the simplest explanation. A normal AI chatbot is like a very smart person. You can ask questions. You type, "What are some content ideas for Instagram?" and it gives you ideas. But an AI agent is more like a digital worker. You give it a goal. For example, create a weekly content plan for my business, and instead of only giving one answer, an AI agent can break the task into steps. It can research topics. It can analyze your audience. It can create captions. It can generate image ideas. It can schedule the posts. It can check what performed well. And then it can improve the next plan. So the key difference is this: a chatbot responds, an AI agent acts. A chatbot gives you an answer, an AI agent tries to complete a task. That's the easiest way to understand it. Real life analogy: think about hiring an intern. If you ask a beginner intern, "Can you help me with marketing?" they might ask, "What exactly should I do?" You need to guide them step by step. But if you hire a good assistant and say, "We need more customers this month," they might make a plan. They might research potential customers. They might prepare a list. They might draft messages. They might track replies. They might come back and say, "Here are the best leads, here are the emails I prepared, and here's what I recommend next." That's closer to how AI agents work. You don't just give them one tiny instruction, you give them a goal. Then they figure out the steps needed to reach that goal. Of course, they are not perfect. They still need supervision. But this is the big shift. AI is moving from answering questions to completing work. ChatGPT vs AI agent. Now let's compare a basic chatbot with an AI agent. A chatbot waits for your message. An AI agent can continue working through multiple steps. A chatbot usually gives you one response. An AI agent can plan, use tools, take actions, review results, and improve. A chatbot is like a calculator for words and ideas. An AI agent is like a digital teammate. Let's say you want to plan a trip. With a chatbot, you might ask, "Give me a 5-day itinerary for Switzerland." The chatbot gives you an itinerary. But with an AI agent, you could say, "Plan a 5-day family trip to Switzerland within this budget. Check travel time, compare hotels, find kid-friendly activities, and prepare a final itinerary." The agent can potentially search, compare, organize, and produce a complete plan. That is why AI agents are becoming such a big topic, because they are not just about information, they are about execution. How AI agents work. Now let's understand how AI agents work. Don't worry, we will keep this simple. Most AI agents have 4 main parts. Number 1, a goal. You tell the agent what you want. For example, create a list of 50 potential clients for my cleaning equipment business. Number 2, reasoning or planning. The agent thinks through the steps. It might decide, first, find target companies. Second, collect contact details. Third, categorize them. Fourth, write outreach messages. Number 3, tool use. This is where agents become powerful. An AI agent may connect with tools like browsers, spreadsheets, email apps, calendars, CRMs, code editors, or databases. That means it can do more than just talk. It can actually interact with software. Number 4, memory and feedback. Some agents can remember previous work, learn from results, and improve future tasks. For example, if a certain type of email gets more replies, the agent can adjust the next batch of emails. So the basic loop looks like this: goal, plan, action, check result, improve. That loop is what makes agents different from normal AI prompts. Easy examples of AI agents. Let's look at some simple examples. Example 1, a research agent. You tell it, Bin, research the top AI tools for small business owners and summarize the best ones. The agent can search the web, compare features, check pricing, and prepare a report. Example 2, a content agent. You tell it, create 1 week of Instagram content for my brand. It can generate post ideas, captions, hashtags, carousel outlines, and maybe even image prompts. Example 3, a sales agent. You tell it, find potential customers and draft outreach emails. It can identify leads, organize them in a spreadsheet, write personalized emails, and prepare follow-up messages. Example 4, a customer support agent. You tell it, help answer customer questions. It can read support tickets, understand the issue, suggest replies, and sometimes even solve common problems automatically. Example 5, a personal productivity agent. You tell it, help me manage my day. It can check your calendar, summarize emails, suggest priorities, create reminders, and help you stay organized. So AI agents are not just for tech companies. They can help creators, students, business owners, employees, freelancers, and families. The main idea is simple. Wherever there is repetitive digital work, an AI agent may be useful. Why AI agents matter? So why is everyone suddenly talking about AI agents? Because they represent the next stage of AI. The first stage was asking AI questions. The second stage was using AI to create content. The next stage is using AI to complete workflows. This matters because most people don't just need answers. They need outcomes. You don't just need a list of business ideas. You need help testing one. You don't just need a fitness plan. You need reminders, meal ideas, progress tracking, and adjustments. You don't just need a video script. You need the title, thumbnail idea, description, social media posts, and a publishing checklist. That's where agents become powerful. They can connect multiple steps into one workflow, and this could change how people work. Instead of doing every tiny task yourself, you may start managing AI agents that help with different parts of your life or business. One agent for content, one agent for research, one agent for finance tracking, one agent for customer support, one agent for learning. That sounds futuristic, but this is already starting to happen. Are AI agents perfect? Now, before we get too excited, we need to be honest. AI agents are powerful, but they are not perfect. They can make mistakes. They can misunderstand your goal. They can use wrong information. They can take unnecessary steps. They can sound confident even when they are wrong. And if they are connected to important tools like email, payments, files, or business systems, mistakes can become serious. So here's the golden rule. Don't treat AI agents like independent experts. Treat them like smart assistants that need review. You should always check important work, especially anything related to money, legal decisions, health, private data, business contracts, or customer communication. The best way to use agents is not do everything for me and I won't check. The best way is do the first 70% of the work, organize everything, and help me make the final decision. That mindset will protect you from mistakes while still saving a lot of time. Beginner-friendly way to understand agents. Here's a simple way to understand the evolution. Level 1 is a prompt. You ask AI one thing. Example: write a caption for my Instagram post. Level 2 is a workflow. You ask AI to help with the process. Example: give me 10 post ideas, write captions, create hashtags, and suggest image prompts. Level 3 is an agent. You give AI a goal and allow it to decide the steps. Example: grow my Instagram account by creating a weekly content plan, tracking what performs well, and improving future posts. That's the difference. Prompt means one task. Workflow means connected tasks. Agent means goal-based action. This is why learning how to use agents is going to become an important skill. Not because everyone needs to become a programmer, but because everyone will need to learn how to give clear goals, set boundaries, review outputs, and manage AI-powered workflows. What can AI agents do for side hustles? Since this is the official AI Hustle Club, let's talk about side hustles. How can AI agents help someone building a side income? Let's say you want to start a newsletter. An AI agent could help you research trending topics, summarize articles, create newsletter drafts, write subject lines, and prepare social posts to promote it. Let's say you want to sell digital products. An AI agent could research product ideas, analyze competitors, create product outlines, write landing page copy, and prepare launch emails. Let's say you run a YouTube channel. An AI agent could study trending videos, suggest video ideas, write scripts, create titles, generate descriptions, prepare Instagram carousel content, and build a weekly posting plan. Let's say you are a freelancer. An AI agent could help you find clients, personalize proposals, prepare portfolios, and track follow-ups. This is why AI agents are exciting. They can reduce the friction between idea and execution. Many people have ideas, but they get stuck because execution takes time. AI agents can help close that gap. A simple example: prompt. Here's a beginner-friendly prompt you can try with any advanced AI assistant. Copy this. Act like an AI agent for my personal productivity. My goal is to organize my week better. First, ask me for the information you need. Then create a weekly plan, break it into daily tasks, suggest priorities, and give me a checklist I can follow. Also tell me what I should review at the end of the week. This prompt teaches the AI to behave more like an agent. You're not just asking for one answer. You're asking it to understand your goal, gather information, create a plan, break it down, and help you review progress. That's the mindset. The better your goal, the better the agent. How to give good instructions to AI agents. If you want better results from AI agents, remember these 5 rules. Rule number 1, give a clear goal. Don't say, help me with content. Say, create a 7-day Instagram content plan for beginners interested in AI tools. Rule number 2, give context. Tell the agent who you are, who your audience is, what your brand is, and what your constraints are. Rule number 3, set boundaries. Tell it what not to do. For example, Do not send emails without my approval. Or do not use paid tools. Or keep the tone beginner friendly. Rule number 4. Ask for step-by-step output. This makes the work easier to review. Rule number 5. Review before action. For anything important, make sure the agent shows you the plan before executing. This is how you stay in control. AI agents should not replace your judgment. They should multiply your ability to get things done. The future of AI agents. In the future, people may not use AI like a search box. They may use AI like a team. You might have one agent that manages your schedule, one agent that tracks your finances, one agent that helps your children learn, one agent that manages your content, one agent that monitors your business operations. And instead of doing every small task yourself, your role becomes more like a manager. You set the direction, you give the goals, you approve important decisions, you review the output. This means one person with the right AI setup could do the work that previously required a small team. That is a huge opportunity, especially for creators, solopreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses. But it also means one important thing. People who learn how to work with AI agents early will have an advantage. Not because AI will do everything magically, but because they will know how to combine human judgment with AI execution. That combination is powerful. So let's summarize everything simply. An AI chatbot answers your questions. An AI agent works toward your goals. A chatbot gives responses. An AI agent can plan, use tools, take actions, check results, and improve. AI agents can help with research, content creation, sales, customer support, learning, productivity, and side hustles. But they are not perfect. You still need to guide them, set boundaries, and review important work. The future is not just about asking AI better questions. It is about learning how to manage AI-powered workflows. And that may become one of the most valuable skills of the next few years. So the next time you hear someone say AI agents, don't get confused. Just remember this. AI agents are like digital assistants that don't just answer, they act. They plan, they help you execute. And if you learn how to use them properly, they can save you time, help you build faster, and maybe even support your next side hustle. If this video made AI agents easier to understand, hit the like button, subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club, and comment below, agent, and we will share a beginner-friendly AI agent prompt you can try today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.